Hi guys, I hope you're having an awesome day today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of June right here. I'm so happy to see what's in my box. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is the base box, $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size beauty products with a really nice retail value. I've been getting these lately, but I haven't filmed an unboxing of it in a minute, and I honestly haven't used many of the products, so I'm kind of out of the loop. So I'm excited to see what's in here. Typically Boxycharm does a really good job with like having a very nice range of brands in their boxes and very good quality products, so I'm excited. Okay, so it looks like for the month of June, the theme for Boxycharm is Express Yourself, which is perfect for Pride Month. Very nice. I love that. And let's see, the first thing in here was a new launch. I wish I would have known, so I would have used it. I didn't even look. So this is a new eyeshadow palette. This is the Violet Ball Sunkissed Summer Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. Usually when I get these brand new palettes, I used to always do an eyeshadow tutorial and use it the same day I received it, but I didn't realize. But oh my god, it's not focusing. This is what the packaging looks like. Very pretty. I love Violet Voss's eyeshadow formula. And it says Sunkissed Summer. Perfect timing. Okay, let's open it up. See, I have a lot of her eyeshadow palettes that I've gotten through Ipsy and Boxycharm, and her formula is really awesome. Very cute. Okay, you do get a mirror, which I like. There's a mirror. I feel like the color story is very pretty, but just very safe, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. Hold on. Let me try to get this to focus. There you go. See, like you have a yellow. I hope that yellow is bright enough to make it maybe stand out a little more. You have some neutrals, some browns and like pinks and burgundies. This reminds me a little bit of they had a pink palette some months ago, but this has the yellows and the golds, which makes it maybe stand out a little bit more. But it's very pretty. You can create some very soft looks, just a little bit of shimmer on your lid, and then you have your dark brown, and then like a very nice beige to clean things up. It's very pretty. Again, very safe. But see, that yellow keeps looking so bright, but I feel like it's not that bright. It looks almost mustard to me, but it could be very interesting to play with this. The yellow mustard looking shadow with some gold. Then if you want something a little bit more on the burgundy side, it's very pretty. To me, summer feels more lighter, I think, and more colorful, but I feel like this is a safe palette for a lot of people to use. Not everyone loves super bright colors, so I think it's pretty. I keep saying it's pretty. I'm sorry. It is really pretty, and I think I'll give that some use. Why not? Oh, and I forgot to say, this palette does retail for $37, so that's already a nice value. Oh, I said earlier that this box was $25 a month. Sorry about that. I believe it went up to $28 a month. But either way, if that's really what this is worth, you already get the value of the box with this palette. So next we have, let's see, Volition Beauty Turmeric Brightening Polish. Oh, okay. An indulgent polishing scrub powered by turmeric to visibly brighten skin and reveal a natural looking glow. Retails for $38. So it's for face and body. Sounds interesting. Whoa, can that focus please? For face and body. So okay, let me read it. I feel like I read it and don't get what I read. It says here, turmeric is a celebrated skin enhancing treatment. For thousands of years it has been a part of South Asian women's beauty regimen for visibly smoother, softer, and glowing skin. Okay, so it says to gently massage onto wet skin and leave on for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, apply to face and body once a week for external purposes. Okay, so it's supposed to make your face and your body. It visibly brightens and smooths, tones and hydrates, promotes overall skin radiance. I will give that a go. That sounds like a nice product to try in the shower. Why not? Sounds interesting. And again, did I say that retails for $38? Again, really nice value. The third product in my box is the Dry Bar Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. This sounds like it's for your hair because it's Dry Bar. So it says here, let me read the card actually. They usually have some nice information about the products. Meet the ultimate frizz fighter. Heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each hair strand to provide frizz resistance. Leaves a super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down. Lasts through 3 washes. Wow. I need that. You guys know, if you watch my channel before, I have very dry, frizzy hair. So it says how to serve for use on damp hair. My hair is not damp. Okay, so next time I wash my hair, I'll try that out. I really just want to know the smell. I'm sorry. Usually hair products smell good, so I need to know. I think it smells good. Okay, I'm confused. Wait. It smells good, but it's not overpowering. So it's not bad. It doesn't smell bad. Yeah, it's a pleasant scent. And that retails for $34. Really nice value again. Okay, so the next product in my box is the Kismet Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. Okay, so it's a lip plumping gloss, and this here says, as sweet and soft as a baby, this lip gloss offers up the ideal pinky nude pout. It retails for $18 and is a new brand to Boxycharm. Yeah, I've never heard of this brand before. Okay, the packaging is pretty. I should have shown that. Very pretty. We did get a plumping gloss months ago from Too Faced, and I've been really liking that. I've been using it a lot. Oh, this is so pretty. I like that. Very pretty packaging. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it's not minty. I might like that. It smells almost sweet. Yeah, I don't like lip products to be too minty. I don't know why that bothers me. But see, that's a really pretty color, and it's a lip plumper, so that sounds interesting. I'm gonna try that for sure. Because I use the Too Faced one and it's very minty, but I use it because I like the way it makes my lips look. So I might give this one a try. Definitely. Okay, we have one more product here that I say that retails for $18. The last product in my box is the Moonlit by Michaela Lou number 49. So this is a what? A lipstick pencil that retails for $18. I've never heard of this brand either. I don't know if it's new to Boxycharm, but I've never heard this brand. Wow, what a, okay, let me show you the box. The packaging is very, very pretty. It's like right on theme with the name of the brand, Moonlit. So pretty. And then the packaging, like that whole vibe is on the pencil as well too. Like it's not like very boring. It's a very pretty pencil. Ooh, that's a very beautiful color. These two might go so perfectly together, the lipstick and the lip liner. Not the lipstick, the lip plumper gloss. See, that's the color of the lip liner. I feel like you can line your lips with this and go a little thick on the line, and then apply that beautiful lip plumper. Oh my gosh, perfect combo. I love when they do that. A lot of times they'll match. If you have two lip products, they'll make them like match, you know what I mean? That's really nice. That complements each other very nicely, and it actually matches the palette. If you want to do like sort of a burgundy soft, I want to say burgundy, almost purple vibe for like a summer look, these products will work very nicely together. And then go ahead and use this spray on your hair so that you don't have like frizzy hair. I love it. So I got that for my frizzy hair. Eyeshadow palette, lip plumping gloss, beautiful lip liner, and the turmeric brightening polish. So overall, really $28. That's really nice value. And I'm very happy with my box, and I am so happy to be back with all of my unboxings. Please let me know down below, how was your box this month from Boxycharm? Did you enjoy it? What did you like? What did you not like? And what would you like to see for the next month? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.